Welcome to the wonderful region of Umbria, a hidden gem in the green heart of Italy. Umbria enchants with its timeless beauty, where ancient paths wind through centuries-old forests and vineyards, and medieval villages cling to sun-kissed hillsides. Every corner tells a millennia-old story, offering unique emotions to anyone who ventures to discover this treasure trove. This region, rich in history and culture, boasts an extraordinary artistic heritage. From Assisi, the city of St. Francis and St. Clair, to the majestic palaces of Perugia, Umbria is an open-air museum. Every stone speaks of the glorious past of this land, transporting visitors to distant epochs and evoking a sense of wonder and respect for humanity's heritage. And we can't forget the magnificent Lake Trasimeno, the largest lake in central Italy, surrounded by breathtaking landscapes and picturesque villages that invite you to explore their authenticity and beauty. Umbria also delights the palate with its traditional cuisine. From the exquisite truffles of Norcia to the Sagrantino wine of Montefalco, every dish tells a story of authentic flavors. For those who love adventure, Umbria offers a wide range of outdoor activities. Trekking through the hills, rafting in crystal-clear rivers, and horseback riding are just some of the unforgettable experiences this region has to offer. Let yourself be conquered by unspoiled nature and the breathtaking beauty of its landscapes as you immerse yourself in an adventure that stimulates the senses and nourishes the soul. From its cultural wonders to its pristine nature, Umbria captures the hearts of all who visit. It's a land that enchants, inspires, and leaves an indelible mark in the memory of anyone privileged to explore it. Discover Umbria, where beauty is timeless and every moment is an experience to remember. Be captivated by the magic of this unique land where history, nature, and culture blend into an unforgettable journey. Thank you for watching our video and exploring the beauty of Umbria with us. We hope you enjoyed the journey. See you soon!